This next store is little, but it's full of fun stuff.
Little but full of fun. It's like us.
And it's got bad words in it. Which is
Kim's
just like
favorite
us.
thing. Bad words. Although,
Stuff with...
I am not far from you.
Yeah. Wait, you're right behind me, sister.
I know. We're those people. But they're the perfect words for most occasions.
Uh-huh.
I'm sorry, that's just true. We are lucky we get anywhere we need to
I need a peanut butter and jelly cookie.
I know, we need a stoplight so she can eat her cookie. This is the only way people get to think about things in life.
But
They're
now-
eating a cookie.
I'm drooling. I want a cookie so bad.
We have problems.
We do have issues.
But I just want to say,
Ooh,
it wasn't me
look at
today.
Quarter mile, turn left onto East Camelback Road.
Why is she
Yes.
still yelling at us? God,
Turn down.
Kim's got this lady who just yells directions at us. And she gets Kim all confused. What am I dropping all over your floor?
I don't know.
I'm making a mess in your car.
God, Carolyn, I can't take you anywhere. For the love of
We can't
God.
take us anywhere because we don't know where we're going.
That's my hair.
Ever. Your hair's good.
It's chicken. Fluffing.
And for those of you who watch, Kim chopped off all of her hair.
I did. It's gone.
She chopped it all off.
All 5 or 6 or 20 inches of it.
20 inches of it.
It was a lot.
It was a lot of hair. We made it. We're at Francis. We're literally downtown. We are on Central and Camelback. It's about as downtown as you can get downtown. And there's a Dutch Bros. Our store, Dutch Bros. I feel coffee in my near future. I'm very excited about that. At the front, we're gonna go in there. JJ's real excited.
I'm going to check out all the goods.
All the goods. Too fun. Oh my gosh, keychains galore. Oh, I want that clock. That clock is so cool.
Oh, yeah.
Cards.
JJ, did you bring your phone? You didn't bring your phone, did you?
Said the right thing for once.
Hello.
Made a decision. Put the toilet seat down. We know those people. Worst place ribbons. World's okayish mom. Ate a vegetable? That's the one for me.
Wait, I have yet to see you eat a vegetable.
Well,
Take these if I'm drunk.
that's a good plan. Oh my god, look how fun all that is.
The Peach Pit, Beverly Hills 90210.
Oh, we're sorry,
Rest
Luke
in
Perry.
peace.
My husband's still upset.
Yeah. Sad. God, remember these things?
I do.
Have a nice day.
That's funny. It's a dry heat, for sure. Welcome to Arizona.
Maybe just after you're done picking it up, just be
Go
like,
in again.
just be like, hey.
Did you almost hit yourself with that?
Yeah.
You're funny. Oh, look at those. I know, I haven't even made it to the door. Be brave. Be kind. Explore. Cute. All these cute cards. Aw, so cute. Oh, I like all the candles. Those are cute. They're sparklers. The string doll gang. Goodness. Really alpacas. Oh my gosh, how funny. Ah, Foxy. He's cute. Oh, there's little Humpty Dumpty. He seems to be back together again. Look at all that fun stuff. Those are cool combs. Little picks. Oh my gosh.
A little mini comb.
To do or not to do? It says to do or not to do. It's cute. Hidden agenda. Escape plan.
Stand it.
Everybody needs one of those.
Seriously.
It's not rag. I like it. These are the hats we need. feel like this place just gets us, Kim.
Yeah, they do.
Beer me. Probably wine. So many cute Arizona things. I think we need all of the dish towels, all of the little plates. They have stuff for your dog. The bestest ever. Works for treats. So do I. Oh my god. Kim, did you see all these towels over here? Oh my gosh. Cute. Oh. That's so fun. I want this one. So fun. What does it say?
Hold on.
Duct tape is silence.
Yes, silence is gold. Your trauma needs an intermission.
What does it say?
Kale tastes
Like I would rather be fat. Oh my god.
These are hilarious.
I feel, what does it say? I feel sorry for people who don't know me.
Oh my god. Cute little matches.
These are cute.
Are these the sage sticks that you burn?
Copal incense.
Copal. Medicinal trees found in Mexico.
Huh.
Oh, interesting.
Well, there you go. Oh, look at that cute little match bottle. It's so little. A little cork. Fancy matches. Flus and coughs. That's interesting. Sticky notes. Succulent sticky notes. Cute. In case you forget where you are, you're in Arizona. And if you're really lost, there you go. Swizzle sticks. Ooh, I want these straws. Look, Kim. They're metal straws. I think I might get me some of these for my smoothies, so I don't have to keep using a straw every dang time. Oh, cute little containers. How cute are these, Kim? Did you just pick it up? Oh, how funny.
Oh my god.
Great minds. Stop it. All right,
Jinx, you owe me a beer.
Oh, again? I'm gonna owe you a lot of beers.
Oh my god.
These are so cute. Bloom where you're planted. Cute. Aww. What's this, Kim? What do you do here?
That
Is this for knitting?
Yarn? Yeah.
What?
Yeah, when you knit, it holds your ball up
Oh, and you.
as you go. Yeah. It unravels.
Cute are these mason jars. Well, this was way too fun. I need this entire shelf. I want to know if that clock has a real cuckoo in it. There's a window. Or does something more interesting pop out? Kim, aren't these the cutest?
I love this one.
It's gotta turn off all the stars. 99 problems, but a drink ain't one. True story. Cute. Look, Kim, it's a Swedish dishcloth. Your people are from that side of the world. What does that mean?
Oh, you reuse it?
I don't know.
It's like one of those.
Oh, it's got directions.
It's like one of those things.
One dishcloth replaces 17 rolls of paper towels. Wow. What?
That's cool.
Like if anyone's in the market,
Oh,
Google Swedish dish towels.
pads. Look at those cool.
Oh, those are cute. You don't have a proper one, do you?
Well,
Oh.
I got a couple, but.
Hey.
Okay, look at mine first.
Cherry preserves, in case anyone needs a new recipe. Oh, these are cute too.
Oh, I didn't see those.
Oh, those are cool. Oh, number 2.
There's turquoise.
Oh, there's the oh.
Number 2, number 1.
They might be in trouble. Oh, they're like spoon rests, hey.
How cute.
I bet.
Yeah, you're so smart.
I'm guessing.
Yeah.
What things?
Trays are so cool.
Those trays are cool. Like one down here says cheer up.
Yes, I love that one.
Portion control. Hey Kim,
What?
I feel like in some way we can make this plate
That is not
useful.
Right. That is not right.
It is a legitimate cuckoo bird.
Oh my god.
And there he went. Alright, back in the car. We're all done now. Kim's got her goods. She did get a bag.
I got my husband his little anniversary gift.
Happy anniversary, husband.
Survived another store.
We
spent
did
more
it.
money.
We spent more money. We didn't, but for a good cause.
Yes.
It's for her husband,
Not
for their
telling
anniversary. So we did a good job. Now we're gonna head home.
Yep.
But thanks for joining us again on another shopping trip.
Another field trip.
Another field trip.
Yes.
We did good. This was fun. We hope you enjoyed all the interesting baking stuff and the really fun Arizona stuff. That store has so much cool things.
Potty Mouth Central.
Potty Mouth Central, kind of where we live.
But it's fun.
But it is fun. If you like any of that stuff, you can go to their website, Francis Vintage. Check them out. All right.
Yes.
Bye, guys.
Bye.